Salo jo sa pet hanya itu mah, bahasa ada hanya itu nak kita nono ni jahan nari pun kinari pun ni jo ni jo heta uwe itu bulu bahasa sebelah ni uwe ni tidak risiko basu edo sitok jaga saya ada pakule ada tuita sebelumnya ikut ni kita sudah selalu pakai The efforts that come, like the second group, they don't even have time. They're not even planning to be part of this competition. But we said that okay, there's only one group. How come there's no 2 groups or 3 groups? We're expecting to have like 7 groups to participate, but only 1 confirmed. So we told them, okay, come on, just go ahead, just go and practice the song. So they just went and then practiced in the van, some of them in the car, But I'm so proud of you guys, for doing that. Okay, aku ni datu dan sosit padu detail lebar, aku ni datu kita sana. But only one thing ni kan ni cipada. Apa mungkin di depan ni, saya tahu ini wah. Ame busar ni kami tahu ada aduh mana. Lekasa awak mau bagaimana? Tahu mula bah. Apa kuat di depan berpajo tadi dah begini kami. I always tell you guys to smile when you sing. You don't have to laugh. No. But just smile and then so that your voice will come out and your voice will sound much better. Akan walau kuali dia mau ni kami tu kuali dia apa dah bulan ni kepala. Kau tu bah masa walau leki mana leki ni mana tu ni tahu itu. Ada ni kami ni. The first thing and the last thing that I will tell you that. Nampak ni ni mak kau ni mak. Lekasa awak mau bagaimana mati lebar. Nama aku disebut. Nama aku waktu ni kumina nak tak soal lesu nak. Orang ni pun nak. Alright. Well, let's the drum roll. Mata kemana ya man? Midwest North ni. Sinyago Udri aku ni like out of 400 ni. Money where 339. Then we had a Tessie Queen. Central North ni out of 400 ni with the money where Kikia Yasita 253. So number 1 is Midwest North. Second, you money with me, Central North.